This video will help you to brainstorm a topic so you can search for it better. When you do a search, it's tempting to think that the computer reads your mind and gives you exactly what you want. But in reality, the computer only understands the words that you give it. That's why you'll have much better luck if you've already spent some time thinking about what you're interested in and what words could describe it. Tip 1. Your goal should be a topic that's not too broad and not too narrow. The first topic you think of probably will be too broad, and that's okay. You'll start off with a general idea that gradually becomes more clear. But a topic that's too big can be hard to research because you get more information and more than you can cover in one paper. Breaking it down into a more specific topic can help you find a manageable place to start. Tip 2. Once you have a general idea of your topic, brainstorm related topics and terms. This can help you to zero in on what you're really interested in. If you're doing research based on class readings, for example, pay attention while you read and make a list of all the topics and terms that sound interesting. You'd be surprised at how much you can come up with this way. You can also flesh out your topic by asking yourself some questions. You've already thought a little about one. What am I interested in? Now it's time to expand. Who's affected by the issue? When is it important? Where is it important? How does it work? And why is it important? It's okay if you don't have the answers to all these right now. You might have to read and think a little bit more first. Once you have had a chance to think about it, put some of the keywords, concepts, and questions that you formulated together in a simple phrase or question. This could look like how attitude affects the success of college athletes, or how persistence affects creativity. These brief sentences can help you to guide your search later on. Tip 4. Watch part 2 of the video to see how all this will help you to search.